Did you get it?
I just missed it. Take it back from him.
Yeah, sure. Sure, take it back. Let him go. Don't try to take it back.
Take it back from him. Do you have another chip? Feed the other one?
But you take a picture. Did you ever take a picture?
I just missed it.
But did you able to take one?
Try again. Try to feed that
That
one.
was unbelievable, that video.
Yes, really. That's the one I keep on holding.
He was holding. It was like for a whole second.
Where's the other one?
It really seemed long.
Huh? Yeah, I know.
Like 2 seconds or something. It was like a long time.
Where's the other one?
Hold your. Give me a chip, please. Holy shit, you're skinny. Have another one? I lost it.
No more, no more, no more.
Why don't you stop feeding me now?
No.
They got everybody here.
No. Oh, no, they're here now. We have to go.
Yeah, we go.
Ow, you kind of got me.
Hit you?
A little. Go away. Go away.
Let me have
Well, you start feeding them.
Well, I'm not very smart. I keep telling you
Michael,
this.
Give me this, the other one. Go away. Yes,
What?
Get ready.
I'm recording. This isn't gonna be good.
Ah! Jesus Christ! The right stop! He took it from your back. You were holding your back and he grabbed it. Okay, I think it's time to leave.
I get it ready with that.
Oh, come on, guys.
Michael.
Go.
Okay.
Feed it to him.
I'm going back. We'll take the stuff back now.
They're really aggressive, aren't they?
Well, you know, they didn't have much back upbringing.
All right, should I keep recording, or are you gonna keep feeding it, or stop recording?
Stop recording.
Okay.
Were you able to get something like it?
I've been recording. Yeah, it bit me. I got a bunch.